Ready to transform your Airbnb into a money-making machine? Here are 2 game-changing tips you can't afford to miss. First up, it's all about the visuals. High-quality photos make your listing pop. Think vibrant, well-lit spaces that shout, "Welcome" to potential guests. Hiring a professional photographer, that's a game changer. They know exactly how to capture the charm and comfort of your space, making it irresistible online. Next, let's talk about the experience. Personal touches, like a local guidebook or a welcome basket, can make guests feel special and cared for. And guess what? Happy guests leave glowing reviews. More positive reviews, more bookings. It's a simple equation. So upgrade your photos, add personal touches, and watch your Airbnb income soar. Implement these tips today and get ready to be fully booked.